In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Claude Code Playground plugin. By the end, you'll be comfortable installing the plugin, crafting useful prompts, adjusting key settings, and iterating to get better coding results. Start by opening your terminal. In the prompt, type Claude and press Enter. This launches the Claude interface from your command line. Next, you'll install the Playground plugin. Inside the Claude interface, type /plugins and press Enter. This opens the plugins panel. Use your arrow keys to move into the Discover section where available plugins are listed. You can scroll through the list to find the Playground plugin or jump straight to it by using the search field and typing Playground. Once you see the Playground plugin, select it and choose Install. Give it a moment to complete the installation and you'll be ready to use it right away. With the plugin installed, you can start working directly with prompts or code. Click into the input area and enter what you want help with. For example, you might say, generate a Python script for reading a CSV and summarizing totals, or fix this code, followed by a snippet, or explain this function and paste the function you want clarified. Clear instructions and short, focused snippets generally produce the fastest, most accurate results. Before you run, take a look at the settings so you can tailor the output. Response length controls how detailed the answer will be. Increase it for step-by-step explanations or longer code samples, or keep it shorter if you just want the core idea. Temperature adjusts creativity. Lower values yield more deterministic, safer answers, while higher values can be helpful when you want multiple ideas or more exploratory code. If model selection is available, pick a model suited to your task. Lighter models for quick iterations, more capable ones for complex refactoring or deeper explanations. When you're ready, click Run or Execute to process your request. You should see results appear almost instantly, including code blocks, explanations, or suggested fixes. Review the output carefully. If it's code, copy it into your editor or a Scratch file and test it. If it's an explanation, confirm it matches your intent and clarifies any confusion. Finally, iterate and improve. Tweak your prompt to be more specific, adjust response length if you need more detail, or nudge temperature up or down depending on whether you want safer or more creative answers. Small changes often make a big difference. Keep refining until the output fits your needs, and you'll quickly get the most out of the Claude Code Playground plugin.